Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Grand Rapids, LKQ. Take a look. I'm trying to see if they got a Super Duty I can get some brackets off of. But, of course, they got a 4060. That's a bummer. Sometimes I go online and I look at the little layout. There's supposed to be a 2008 Super Duty right here. I wanted the brackets to put the axle in my OBS Ford, but it looks like they're gone. Like, literally, this is the spot it's supposed to be in. Son of a bitch. I don't know if it's not here or if they set it out here and came and picked it up. Hey, look, an Escalade. Let's have a gander at that. Gang's all here. Wish I was closer. Wonder what year it is. It's gonna be an LQ9. If I can unlock the door with the rods. I do that often enough. You would think that LQ9. If you didn't know, the SUVs like the Denali's and the Escalades with the 6 liters come with a 4060. And I can hear you firing up your angry keyboard comments that it's no 4L65. Whatever. It's got 5 more E's. It'll never let you down. Right? I'm a little disappointed that I just wanted the bracket, so it's not that big a deal. Like, one way or another, I'll come up with them eventually. These 3rd gen Rams ran with a 360 for a couple of years, or maybe like a year, I don't know. Somebody got all the goodies off this here Gen 4 guy, took the intake, left the rest. I like it. I like it a lot. In this core pile, I see with my little eye some kind of LS. Which kind are you? 601 should say on the block somewhere 6.0. Isn't that what that says? It sure is. I wonder why this guy's here. Maybe he doesn't spin. Maybe he doesn't win. Maybe it does. Maybe I bring a breaker bar and find out. That's pretty cool. My found on the ground build is not going great, by the way. If you heard that comment before, the one that I got didn't spin, didn't win, shouldn't have won. I took it anyway, and it's locked up in junk. I did get heads off of it and a bunch of bolts and some an oil pump and whatever. But in the end, I'm going to need another block. This is a 3500 LQ4. I should really just take this. Like, I should really just come out here and take this, the transmission and the engine, and just cut that bitch out. Looks like somebody already got the engine or the transmission. But I should follow my own advice to you guys and just take a complete dealio from a wrecked donor and leave it at that. But I'm going to continue trying to do it the hard way. There's a bunch of interest in seeing me do that. Maybe because there's a bunch of interest in seeing me fail. I don't know. Or maybe you just like crude forms of entertainment. I don't know if I'm going to get any easier pickings than a 6-liter on the ground in the core pile. I might ask him if I can buy it for a core price, which is typically how I do it. Here's another Gen 4. LKQ does not care about Gen 4s. Oh, there's two right next to each other. All bred boxy Trailblazer SS intake and whatnot. This must have been an LY6. LKQ prices are kind of high compared to the other self-serves in the area. Not ridiculously so, but they're higher. I think an engine out here complete is like $75 more than what I typically pay. Yeah. Cool. It's a good day. Good day. Other than I didn't find my brackets, you sons of bitches. Where's my brackets? Where is slot 9? What have you done with it? That's not really the most important thing in the world. I just saw on the website that it was out here, but they had to have snatched it. Yeah, I might go see if I can get this for the core price. Because if I can, I'll pull right in here and load her up. If I can't, alright, so I got this thing home, and you can see 317 heads. It's a 6-liter. I started to try to spin it over, and then I got clever and realized that it's sitting on the flex plate. So what you can actually do is just give her, see the balancer staying in the same spot. Not only does it spin, it wins. It spins super easy. So this was a good score. I will bring you guys back tomorrow and show you the dumpster fire build in its entirety and what's going on and why I did this. I am going to tell you again, you probably should not do this. I don't recommend it. The oil cooler is typical on 6-liters, by the way, but not necessarily. See, this one doesn't have hydro boost. Some do. Or no, it does. This does have hydro boost. Anyway, you shouldn't do this. I left the name of the junkyard out because I don't want to get the guy in trouble. Suffice it to say, it's a corporate place. They didn't have a way for him to charge me for a core engine. I just went in there and said, like, hey, you know, can I have this for core price? And he was like, oh, I don't have a way to charge you for it. Corporate's worried that we might be giving our friends engines, you know, and saying that they're cores, which I kind of get, right? So, you know, we kind of talked a little bit, and I said, well, you know, nobody's going to buy this. I don't know anything about it. It's in the dumpster, upside down. So, we talked about it, and he charged me for another part that cost $100, and his company got $100, and I got an engine. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. So, hope you enjoyed this little junkyard treasure trip. Like I said, next time, in the next couple days, I'll unveil the trash can build in its entirety, and we'll move forward. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer.